Let's bring in Larry Kantor into this conversation. He's operating partner at Atlas Merchant Capital. And Larry, what do you think about Larry Fink's take on this and your own take about how quickly things can get back to work? Larry said that he anticipates that this is not going to be a V-shaped recovery. How about you?
So I'm afraid there's no letter that really captures this. The left side's definitely a V, and it's sharper and steeper than anything we've ever seen. I think the right side's going to be more like a U. I think when we get recovery, and I don't think it'll take that long, but it's going to be in fits and starts and vary a lot among regions, among industries.
Larry, one of the things he talked about was just this idea that you could probably get manufacturing and other closed environments back to work more quickly than some of the service sectors, because in the service sector, whether it be a restaurant, whether that be a movie theater, whether it be an airplane, whether it be a hair salon, people are going to be a little more reluctant to go back to places because they're going to be scared. That's why he said testing needs to be so aggressive. Well, obviously, it's going to take a while, but I also think that in different areas of the country, there may be different fear factors just based on what you've lived through, based on how many cases are in your town, in your county.
No question. I mean, travel, it's going to take a long time. We're not there yet in terms of testing. I'm not a health expert, but it's pretty clear we're not ready yet. And you see in parts of Asia that have had some success with people, when they start to restart the economy, they have widespread testing so they can figure out who's got it, even though they don't have any symptoms, and then who's immune. They're wearing face masks. People are getting their temperatures taken, going into buildings. All those things are necessary. I think the interesting thing here is the markets are behaving so much better than the economy. We've never seen an economy drop like a rock like this with the bottom falling out. The markets, if I'd have told you a few months ago, we're going to see over 20 million people file jobless claims in a month, the bottom of the economy is just going to fall out, and ask you what the markets are going to do, I doubt you'd say that year to date, they're down like 14%. So, and I think it's right. The Fed. We've never seen a response like this, Becky. And it reminds me a little bit of what Mario Draghi said during the European debt crisis, which will do whatever it takes. We have unlimited QE. The Fed has already expanded its balance sheet about $2 trillion. They did 3.5 over 6 years, the financial crisis. We've never seen anything like this. It's almost like there's a put out there. So I think the Fed, Congress is making sure that companies have enough access to credit. And this relates to the recovery. Company bankruptcy, so we can get the economy going again a little faster. And that's encouraging.